Woohoo, it's Super Bowl Sunday. Hey, 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 hey. I bet you the Lions do not win today. Ha, 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 ha. So here I go. Now, I already made a video on synthetic division. So if you need to review that, go back and look at the videos. So here, first I'm going to find the possible rational roots. And it's the factors of this number divided by the factors of this number. So, 8 is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8. So I'm going to try 1. So it'd be 1 here for this coefficient, missing x squared, missing x, put in the minus 8 for the constant. Bring down, multiply, add. Oh. Oh, shoot. The remainder's not 0. I have to try another number. So I know that 1 does not work. Let's try 2. So I'd have, let's see, 1, 0, 0, negative 8. Bring down, multiply, add. Bam. Bring down, multiply, add. Bam. So, wow. There's remainder 0, so I know the number 2 works. So I know this factors up to x minus 2 times the quotient, which would be x squared plus 2x plus 4. So now I can solve this. Whenever you have a product equal to 0, you set each one equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. X squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So add 2. Here I'm going to subtract 4. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Add it to both sides. I'm completing the square, by the way. So let's see. Factor this up. X plus 1 squared equals negative 3. So square root both sides. X plus 1 equals the square root of this. So that'd be plus or minus I squared of 3. Subtract 1. X equals negative 1 plus or minus I square root of 3. So I have 2 imaginary answers and 1 rational answer. Ho ho! I'm going to do one more with you. So, find the PRR. Now I made this pretty short. I didn't want to spend a half hour on one problem. The factors of 2 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. So divide that by the factors of the highest power term's coefficient, which is 1, which doesn't change anything. There are 3 answers. So I'm going to start off with the number 2. Let's see if that works. 1, I'm going to put 0 in for x squared, negative 5 in for x, and 2 in for the constant. Bring down, multiply, add. Bam. Bring down, multiply, add. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Holy cheese in a bucket, are we lucky? And I was doing that off the page. I'm sorry. So bring down the 1 times 2. Add it to 0. That's 2 times 2 is 4. Add it to negative 5. That's negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, 0. So that means this factors up into x minus 2 times the quotient, which is x squared plus 2x minus 1. X squared plus 2x minus 1. So x minus 2 equals 0. X squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 2. Well, I already knew that. That showed that that was an answer. Now I'm going to do completing the square again. Do I have to? No. You can do quadratic formula. This is not factorable. Add 1. So x squared plus 2x equals 1. Add 1 to both sides. So x plus 1 squared equals 2. Square root both sides. X plus 1 equals plus or minus square root of 2. Subtract 1. So I get 2 irrational numbers, or 2 real numbers, you could say, and 1 rational number. Hey, that was so much fun. Then I'll make a video on fractions in a minute.